Hello everyone, welcome to our 11th principle in this series, a 101 part series on how to feel happy on a daily basis from Lifehack. There's a link in the description if you've not seen it before. I am Walt, here with our 11th principle, which is to touch something that makes you happy. And it says this could be a cat, a velvet pillow, bark, but take time to notice these things and to feel them. Okay, touch is a very important since it's very, pleasurable at certain speeds. They've done a lot of measures of this, a lot of studies about touch, the tactile sense. And, overall touch is very pleasant with a lot of different things, as long as you're not like touching super hot or super cold stuff. Touch tends to be pleasant overall. So, a lot of us just don't really notice though a lot of the things we touch because we're just like, we're always in a hurry, we're always thinking about something else, we're always just doing these kind of things, and we're not really taking the time to touch these things, to go slowly and just take things and touch them to feel good. Because a lot of children are willing to do that. Oh, this is so soft and this is so nice. But adults are like, man, I'm gonna go rah, 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 rah. And they're like walking around, doing that kind of stuff. And it's pretty hilarious because that's not going to make them happy. And if you're not happy, what's the point in being alive? People are like, oh, but I got to do this and I got to do that. Okay, see, the thing about it is the only animals that are, really happy at a very older age tend to be things like dogs and humans have that kind of capability. Dogs, because of their domestication process, to continue with having like juvenile characteristics into older age. But people have the capability of being childlike and being happy as they get older, versus many things do not have that kind of luxury. And it's really nice that we can do that because we want to be happy, okay? Being happy is pretty great. So when you touch things that, feel good, that, remind you of how good life is, then that really is going to increase a lot of your happiness in life. What more can I say about it? Touch some fun stuff, feel some fun things, and even like, be willing just to go and touch a rock in the park or something and feel how smooth it is or how rough it is. And look at these kind of things through that lens. Just be in the present moment, touch something, and you can feel better. That is for sure. Anyway, that's about it for Principle 11. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.